Welcome back, everybody, to another video log or whatever. I'm in the basement where I showed you before. Do you guys miss me yet? Do you guys even know I'm gone? No? Oh, do you hear that stomping upstairs? You can hear my hands just stomping away. But guys, today, me and my relatives went whale watching, and we looked at some of the cool fish on one of the islands. Unfortunately, though, the footage that was taken, some of it was blurry and stuff, so I really only got like a minute and a half of footage out of all of it, so I'm going to play that now. But I just wanted to check in on you guys, see how you were doing, so enjoy the video.
Oh, there you go. Nice tail right there. Oh, perfect.
The pattern that's on the underside of the humpback's tail is like a human fingerprint pretty well. 4 feet away from outside the boat.
Oh, jeez.
That whale.
Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, look how we got with that.
Whoa. Oh, I'm not sure on an average lifespan, but they know they can be over 70.